Of course, the other guitar that we have on the go is this reversed headstock Firebird. Paul will be stopping by to sort of verify the beveling and reshaping that we did. So I've taken the tape off because this little bridge between the front bevel and the back bevel will be hand sanded very gently. So right now we've got a very sharp, crisp line all the way around, and then it kind of flows and blends into this shallow curvature at the lower bout. The top line as well, nice and crisp, and then gradually it blends into that lower bout. This is our back side bevel, and you can see once again, nice, continuous, uninterrupted line, that bottom sweep, and along the top sweep. So that's what we got from this profile, and that's why I had that masking tape on there to sort of allow us this bridge between the two bevels. That will very gently be hand sanded. Everything else is done. I'm going to plug this in a second. You can hear just how accurately it tunes. So I call this the 1, 2, 4, aptly, because I only use 1, 2, and 4 fingers for this whole thing. The top group. I thought I would try something a little bit different for a cross-sectional check on the intonations. But what I'm going to do this time is I'm going to do an ascending passage against a descending passage. So you got the sort of contrapuntal, layered harmonic progression, and you can see how all those notes meld from one end of the neck to the other. So I start down on this end, lower strings, and then I descend on the upper strings. So those two progressions together sound like this. That other video I had done some diminished chord fillers. So if we were to use some chromatic fillers along that diatonic progression, it'd be so normally we would go. With the chromatic diminished chord fillers sort of in between the diatonic bass notes of so descending it would be starting here, ascending would be. So descending. minor 9, first position. The exact same chord, an octave higher. So my part of the job as far as dressing the frets, intonation, lay of the neck, all of that stuff, compensated nut, it's done. Well, tune in again for the next episode.